Hi there, I am Alex Cunningham, and I will walk you through this Squarespace tutorial step by step.
Today, I'm walking you through exactly how to sell event tickets on your Squarespace website, so you can create a seamless, professional ticketing experience for your guests, whether you're hosting a concert, workshop, or any kind of event. By the end of this tutorial, you'll know how to list tickets for sale that look great and work smoothly, all using Squarespace's built-in tools. Let's jump straight in. First, let's head over to the Squarespace dashboard. If you're managing your site, you're probably already familiar with how Squarespace keeps everything organized in its backend. But if you're new, just remember, you'll want to log into your account and pick the site where you want to sell tickets. Once you're in, look for the section called Products and Services. This is essentially the central hub for all the things you're selling, be it physical products, digital downloads, or, in this case, event tickets. Now, within Products and Services, you'll see two options, Products and Services. Click into Products first, and then immediately click over to Services. The reason we're using the Services tab is because event tickets are a lot like a service rather than a physical item. You're selling access or admission to something, not shipping out a package. This helps keep things organized for you and clear for your customers. Next up, we'll add the ticket listing itself. Hit Add Services. This is your way to create a brand new offering. You'll be prompted to enter a name for the service, and here's where you want to type something clear and direct, like Event Ticket, or give it a name specific to your event. For example, Summer Jazz Night Ticket. Keep in mind, the name is what your attendees will see, so it should instantly tell them what they're buying. Once you've entered the name, you get a place to write a description. Don't rush this part. Take a few moments to cover the essential details. Include the event date and time, location, what the ticket includes, maybe a free drink or VIP access, you get the idea, and anything that guests should know before buying. Imagine you're answering the questions people ask most often. Adding a well-thought-out description helps build trust and reduces the chance of confusion later. Now, add an image to make your ticket listing pop. Maybe you have an awesome event poster, a photo from last year's event, or even a logo. Good visuals don't just catch the eye. They help create excitement and give a professional touch to your offering. If you don't have a picture ready, don't worry. You can always add one later, but I do recommend using some visual element to get people interested. The next step is setting the price and quantity. Think carefully here. You'll want to make sure the price reflects the value of your event and covers your costs. For quantity, be sure to set the number that lines up with how many seats or spots you actually have so you don't oversell. This is especially important for smaller events or venues with limited space. Below the basic fields, Squarespace gives you some additional settings and options, like categories, scheduling, or custom forms. For this tutorial, we're keeping it straightforward, so unless you have a special need, like collecting attendee information, let's skip those for now. Once you've double-checked the details, go ahead and hit Save. That's it. You've officially listed your event tickets for sale on Squarespace. Remember, sometimes it takes a moment for your listing to appear, so be patient and refresh your page if needed. And there you have it, your very own ticket sales page up and running. Thanks so much for watching. If you found this tutorial helpful, give it a thumbs up. And if you have any questions or run into any bumps, drop a comment below. I'm here to help. And don't forget to subscribe for more easy-to-follow guides just like this. Good luck with your event.